Yo, what is up, YouTube? It is Card Games United, where you're playing Gold Paladin versus Great Nature. Gold's is the superior Paladin clan. So, without further ado, I'm going to go first, alright?
So, this is post-Miyachi. I think we've done a sufficient amount of testing that we feel comfortable enough to do best of 3. So, draw your shitty card.
Oh, shut the fuck up. And most powerful G-assist.
Interesting.
Okay.
What do you got here? Well, you got combos, I'll give you that.
Rydindrain.
It's really the wrong approach to take to it. It's much more funny if it's just like him.
Yeah, I was thinking about being
him
like...
restlessly flailing at nothing.
I was actually going to be like, thank you for your feedback. We will take this into consideration in the future.
Yeah, that's what I do.
8. 8.
No guard. So, trigger check?
Yeah. Skill.
My turn. Stand and draw. Ooh. Ride Bowmings skill.
Very well.
Discard Ezel.
What?
What do you mean?
Interesting. You must have another one.
No skill on Gareth.
Very well. I have given you 2 counterblasts. Do your worst.
Very well. Soul Blast Criff.
Very well.
To ride Ezel.
Are you gonna ride Ravenhair now?
So. Counterblast. Ride Raven-haired Ezel.
Cut back here.
Oh, come on!
I actually kind of like that.
Really? No. Yeah. 8 to the Vanguard.
Alright.
27 and a crit to the Vanguard.
Alright.
Twin Drive. The first, all effects. Second, all effects.
What the fuck, Ryan?
Cyqualia.
Draw trigger.
Turn 1. What? Oh, come on!
You just got rid of 2 of my Leopolds.
Yeah.
Fuck you, bitch.
Fuck you. How do you like the double crit?
14 at Gareth.
Really?
Yeah. Alright.
12 to Vanguard.
2.
First check. Second check.
My turn?
Mm-hmm. Oh.
I mean, the thing is, if I can get the grade 3, I should be. Yeah, this is scoopable.
What? So you're gonna scoop just because I got a good hand?
I also
You
missed
didn't
my...
get a good hand, though.
Huh?
You didn't get a good hand, though.
Yes, I did.
You had to assist.
Okay, for a grade 1, but now my hand is actually pretty good.
Is it worth giving you a counterblast? Well, hope it's a normal unit. Swing.
Hope it's a trigger unit.
Normal unit. Draw.
No guard.
That's only 9.
Oh.
Tank mouse. Take that. 20 here.
My turn?
Yep.
Stand and draw.
Well, at least this isn't totally not winnable.
12 to the Vanguard.
I'll tell you what. Two to pass.
Power. Draw.
I swear to God.
Second check. Power. Draw.
Draw. Yeah, I'm sad. At least we're not totally fucked here. Discard 2.
Okay. mean, you are going to have to attack my Vanguard.
I will attack your Vanguard when I feel comfortable attacking your Vanguard.
Well, you have no other choice. It's either you apply pressure now, or I'm going to destroy you next turn.
Shut the fuck up.
You shut the fuck up.
Vanguard.
No guard.
Contra. Front.
Okay. Damage trigger check. Heal trigger. Power to my Vanguard.
Oh, right. Vanguard, 19. Skill. Trigger unit. 5 here. 5 here. And 5 here. Tank mouse.
So, that's 24, right?
Yep.
Check.
29 Vanguard.
29.
Mm-hmm.
Cards in hand.
6.
Cards in damage zone.
4.
Heal trigger. Power to my Vanguard, and I recover
Fucking
1.
sap. 32. Actually, no, these are bigger. Fucking front trigger. 42.
You know what? No guard.
37.
32. Guard.
Go ahead. Hey, you're gonna get finished off. We're gonna get finished off.
Cards in hand.
7.
7.
6.
How many?
6.
6. Yeah, you're gonna get finished off. Let me just check out the Garretts. 1, 2.
Right side, if I can survive this turn, I can kill you.
So I'm definitely calling this here. Call, skill. Call, +3, skill. Call. Do I want to use the Gareth? You said you have 6 cards in hand, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I don't think I'm going to use the Gareth. Alright? So, yeah, you don't have to worry about that. 18 to the Vanguard. To the Vanguard. $27 to the Vanguard. Can't guard with Sentinels. It also has an extra crit.
Do your pass.
To the pass. Twin Drive. The first. Second. 17 to the Vanguard. Cards in hand. 1. Okay, skill. Let's move into the soul. Draw a card. skill. Gold blast.
Well,
Call. Skill. Call. Skill. Call. Skill. So let's just remove all these.
you only won because you sacked me.
I didn't sack you. Soul Blast. Top 3. +3. What's wrong, Andre? Are you salty?
I'm very salty.
12 to the Vanguard. Fuck.
Heal trigger. Power to the Vanguard.
What the fuck? You've got to be kidding me. This is 17, right?
Mm-hmm.
17 here.
Happens.
19 here.
What is that?
Huh?
Guard.
19 to here.
And intercept.
Okay. Woo! You trigger sacked. I hope you know
I
that.
deserve it.
What the? No, you keep calling golds bad.
18 at the Vanguard.
Guard, 2 to pass.
$19 at the Vanguard. Skill. Trigger unit. Destroy. Actually, destroy. Tank nuts. 5, 5, 5.
Which you get 5 to?
Here, here, here.
Okay, how much to the Vanguard?
24.
Guard.
Uh, 12, 17. Plus 12, 29 at the Vanguard.
How's that 29?
5 from Binoculus. It gets 3k continuously because my Vanguard is pencil hero hands guy. And this gets 4 continuously because my Vanguard is pencil hero hands guy.
How much is that?
32. You should be able to guard all this.
I can't. Wait, no, I can't. What am I thinking? So,
32 at the van.
which one do I want to discard? Cards in hand.
3.
I think I have to ride, so discard.
Unphased, because I need the extra card. How does it feel that I just miracle healed on you? God damn it.
Is there something wrong? $27 and a crit to the Vanguard.
I need 1.
Twin Drive. The first and second. Two cards in here.
Yeah.
15 to the Vanguard. 12 to the Vanguard. 17 to the Vanguard.
Heal trigger.
Alright, I'm gonna finish you off real quick.
So, question: is Deleters gonna be good or bad?
Not really. Gonna be good. They won't be that good.
They're going to be about as good as that is, maybe a little bit better.
We're definitely gonna have to do golds versus Deleters.
Sure.
My turn.
Mm-hmm.
Ride Gareth. Draw. Okay. Gareth attacks for 8.
No guard.
Trigger check.
Surprised that wasn't a crit.
Why?
Because you're a trigger stat.
Are you scared of my Psyqualia?
9.
No guard. Trigger check. Heal trigger. Power to my Vanguard and I heal 1. My turn?
Mm-hmm.
Trigger sack all in moderation. Ride Wonderizzle. Skill.
Yes, retire. There's one of these.
Search. Ride. Imaginary Gift Excel.
Drive -1.
Yes, but I don't care about that. I have an Excel circle before you do.
I'm gonna have 2 Excel circles on the next turn.
Same here. So why should I care about something as minor as, oh, you just get drive -1. Ooh,
Because it means effectively all you've done is use those resources to give your Vanguard a 3k power boost.
Scales like
It's
the
not
force.
amazing.
Anything else you'd like to do?
It's 3k to Vivian. 12 to your van.
Draw trigger. Power to Vanguard.
Attack here.
No pass.
All effects here.
Very well.
32 to your Vanguard.
That's worth it.
Okay, go.
Ride. Skill. Imaginary gift to sell. All. Man.
No guard. Draw trigger. Power to my Vanguard and I draw a card.
Of course.
What do you mean, of course?
12 here.
Okay. Wait, what's the first check? Okay.
Vanguard, 19.
No guard.
Oh, that was actually kind of good. Plus 5.
How?
Whenever a card from my deck is put into the drop zone, this gets 5k.
Okay.
For the turn. 14 for even Harry.
Guard.
22 for even Harry.
Guard.
skill.
Right, because you need more resources. My turn. Stand and draw. Call. Whoop.
Oh, I forgot to give myself time to cut back. It's gonna be annoying.
Attack. 27 tier Vanguard.
Okay.
Twin Drive. The first, draw trigger. Power to Ravenhair on the rear guard circle. Draw a card. Second check. Heal trigger. 2 damage. Power to Ezel right here, and I heal 1.
Run.
Okay. 32 to your Vanguard. $32 to your Vanguard.
How am I getting trigger set?
Because we're on camera.
37.
Go ahead.
Also, because he's Ryan.
What is that supposed to mean?
The only
Trigger sack a lot.
I don't trigger sack a
I
lot.
do.
You trigger sack a lot.
Okay, fine. What is this? The wine commercial? I don't always trigger sack, but when I do, I mean it. Or no,
Are
no.
you trying to copy the Dos Equis commercial? That's beer.
No, it was wine or something, right?
No, beer.
Alcohol.
Yes, it was alcohol.
Well, no, I mean, any other alcoholic drink besides beer?
What?
Any other alcoholic drink besides beer? Okay, fine. I don't always trigger sack, but when I do, it's against Andre. What the hell are you doing?
And anyone else within trigger sacking range.
Wait, what the hell was that?
Leopold.
Oh, right, you... Yeah, okay, cool.
God damn it.
You sound like Gabriel Iglesias. Do you even know who Gabriel Iglesias is?
No.
You don't know who Gabriel...
Yeah, I don't know who the fuck that is.
Fuck you!
He's a comedian.
Fuck you! He's a
Actually,
Spanish comedian.
I've kind of heard of the name. Anyways, Vanguard for 18.
Did you get a trigger? No guard.
Hey! We die.
Power and all effects to my Vanguard.
God fucking damn it. Attack Ravenhair. Skill. There's like maybe only a slight chance I can win this. I don't even want that. You can't sentinel this attack.
So it's to my Vanguard, right?
It's to your Ravenhair right here.
Oh, well, you know, I have 2 Ravenhairs.
Shut the fuck up.
What's the
I
number?
just literally checked 2 grade 3s and you hit a defensive trigger right away.
What's the number?
16.
Oh, okay. Guard?
Do you see what I mean by trigger attack?
Oh, shut the hell up, bitch.
Skill. I draw. Tank mouse.
Relax, Ryan.
27 here.
Fine.
24 here.
Okay.
I'll give you a counter blast. 22.
I already had a counter blast.
I'll give you another one for like howl or something. There's a slight chance I could win this.
There's a slight chance you can't win this.
So you're saying it's equally likely that he will or will not win?
Oh my god, I could actually do it. Who wants me to ride another Ezel?
Go ahead.
I mean, I could do it. That doesn't mean I necessarily will do it.
Blonde or Raven?
Blonde.
Oh, wouldn't you be getting drive -1?
No, because
No,
you're at
it's
grade 3.
3.
But it's
It's
still...
not terrible if you can fill up the XLs, but if you can't, there's no reason to bother.
I don't think I can as easily. Alright, in that case, we'll just call him to rear. Ready, Andre?
Sure.
Attack Vanguard for 15. 15.
Intercept.
22.
Perfect guard.
Skill of Ezel. Call. Skill. Call. Skill. Call. Skill. So this is 28 right now. Here you go. You want a guard?
Bolts are shit.
Shut the hell up.
Yeah, big ol' one to pass.
Twin Drive, the first and the second. $19 to Vanguard. 22 to Vanguard. $28 to Vanguard. Wow, you didn't even have to waste any rear guards.
I want to keep the Leopold. That's what I'm pissed. Vanguard, 18.
No guard.
$16. Vanguard. Actually, might as well still. Second tank mouse. You can't sentinel this, so 16 to the Vanguard.
Intercept.
22 to the Vanguard.
That's going to be 27, right?
Yep.
How much is that?
18 with potential guard restrict. I'm hoping for the curtain trigger.
So that's 22. No guard. Shit.
Nisa. If I can miracle heal, you can miracle heal.
27?
Thought that was a heal for a second. Yeah. Is he gonna say something about Psyqualia?
He's gonna say something about the fucking winning image or some bullshit.
Winning image. On to pass.
No guard.
You'll move.
Right, Bowmains. Skill Bowmains. Oh, Gareth.
Using Gareth's skill?
Nope. Because I'm smarter than that. Ooh. Skill of a card in my hand.
Just say Blondezel.
Ride Blondezel. Imaginary Gift Excel. Call. Skill. Vivian gets an extra 3k. Gareth attacks for 8. $12 to the van. 12 to the van.
No hits.
Trigger check.
Actually, that's not.
Yeah, that is. Ezel. Raven-haired attacks for 22.
Happens.
Go ahead. You fucked.
Vanguard. Draw.
Are you still trying to damage deny that hard?
Wait.
Oh, no.
It's a 9k, yeah.
Attack Vivian for 14.
Okay.
Actually, just 9. Do you still want to guard it?
No.
Heal trigger. Oh, yes. Alright.
And this is what I'm talking about.
18 Raven-haired. FX. Soul Blast. Soul. Search for the grade 2.
My turn. Stand. And draw.
I'm satisfied with that turn. What you got?
Ezel attacks for 12 tier Vanguard.
Using skill or
Nope.
Q pass.
Twin Triumph first. Draw first. I've got nothing to lose. Power to Gareth. Second check. 18 to the Vanguard. Go ahead. Now, I've pretty much figured it out. I can replenish resources while you damage deny.
Pitch. And pitch. Oh, Gareth. Oh.
Put it up, man. You know you want to.
What the fuck?
Well, it appears Andre wins this one.
It appears he doesn't win.
Really? You're gonna act like his gold paladin, you can come back from 2 heals.
Yeah.
1, 2. Vanguard. I'll give you all the counterblasts in the world you want now. Skill. Swing. Trigger. 5. So this got a heal trigger.
36.
No guard.
32.
Heal trigger. Power to my Vanguard.
I would hope that would go off. Your turn. Now I'm stacking like a god. I've hit 3 live heals in this game.
Right.
That's fighting with your ass.
Call. Skill. So
Hey man, I deserved that shit after what happened in game 1.
No one ever deserves to die.
Skill Tindrin.
Draw. Very well.
Yeah. 17 to the Vanguard.
It's gonna be a front trigger.
Do the whole thing. No, so much of a damage buffer. 12 to the Vanguard. No skill.
No skill.
No skill.
Decision.
I'll take it.
Twin Drive. The first. Draw trigger. Power to Sagramore. Draw a card. Second check. Draw trigger. Power to Sagramore. Draw a card.
Not.
42 to your Vanguard.
Not 22.
Go ahead.
Oh, that should help you. That double draw.
Oh, it does. It does.
You've done your job, Leopold. One normal unit. Trigger. 15k in a crit.
Okay.
Sagramore for 17.
You know what we call that one thing?
Oh, yeah, this is that's fine. 27 with a critical. Twin jump.
How is that?
Vanguard, 17 skill. Trigger. Retire. 5, 5, 5. So this is just going to be 17.
How much are the units?
27 for the grade 3, 32 for the grade 2s.
32. 32s.
Okay, so I'm going
That's 32.
I'm going to guard.
32. Actually, 27.
No guard.
27.
32.
Oh yeah, 32. I got that. This is... Before I go, 2, 3, pretty sure the fourth one here.
This is all.
Go ahead.
My turn?
Yeah. I may die here.
Yeah, you're gonna die.
Told you this was a decent matchup.
There's just one thing I'm debating on how I... Okay, so I know I want to play these two here.
Well, your deck should be full of triggers, so...
Mine?
His.
Better not be. He fucking sacked.
Yeah, but Leopold.
You know what? Okay, so I'm going to call this Sagramore here. Use... No, I can't.
Good junk.
There's a chance that one of these damage checks is a trigger.
I guess all. I need more cards in my hand. Cards in hand.
Paladin to a T. I need more cards in my hand.
I suppose I could do it. See, I need to go with this first in order to get my soul blasting stuff off, but I also need more cards in my hand. Fine, Ezreal's going to attack first. 12 tier Vanguard.
No Ezreal skill?
No Ezreal skill. Don't need it. Wind Drive. The first. And the second. $17 the van. Fuck!
Dude, 6 of the 14 cards in my deck were triggers.
Okay.
Like I said, Leopold.
It was roughly 50-50 I was going to hit one of these defensive triggers.
No, it was much greater than that.
Still gonna do it. Use the soul. Draw. Call. Skill. And I have to call something.
Mm-hmm.
19 to here. Actually, here.
Paladin.
22 to the Vanguard. Attack. Do that. I guess. Does it matter what I attack? No. Attack whatever you don't have to guard because, you know, skill,
Declare a target.
Vanguard.
Does it have to attack the Vanguard?
No, but it can't really hit anything else.
This.
Okay. Front trigger.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Otherwise it could hit the G-Grass too.
Skill. Draw. Call. Skill.
Son of a bitch, almost pulled it out. If it wasn't for the defensive trigger, he would have.
Very nice. That's why damage buffers work.
Call. Uh, 22 to Van. 22 to Van.
I mean, the double heal certainly helped.
Honestly, more than anything, that's what did it.
Hey, it's a normal unit. And I still got something to call. It's fair to say I think this is game in my favor.
Well, if this final card is a heal trigger,
I think he would still lose. His deck is like 90% triggers at this point, so it's almost certain to be pumped.
20.
no guard.
Or that. Heal trigger. Power. The heal trigger might save them. Hey! We took it, boys.
Alright, that was the match. Hope y'all enjoyed.
I hope you enjoyed that double heal trigger, because that's probably not happening again.
Ryan's very salty. So that's the
I
match.
have the right to be salty.
Lee.
Your lucky number of the day is 9. Bye-bye!